Welcome to the grand inauguration of KCC Mall of Cotabato.
Let's go.
Today is a momentous occasion, not just for KCC, but for Cotabato City and the entire Bangsamoro region. With deep gratitude and excitement, we stand before you to open the doors of KCC Mall of Cotabato, a landmark investment that symbolizes progress, opportunity, and a shared vision for a brighter future.
To Coronadal Group of Companies, not only have you come to the right place, you have made the right decision.
Sana with the presence of KCC, mabago na ang ibig sabihin ng long time no see sa mga Chinese community. Kasi noon, yung Chinese community, kung sabihin nila sa iyo na long time no see, ang ibig sabihin nun, matagal na wala kita. Pero this time around, may kita na kasi meron na tayong KCC nandito ngayon.
This multi-billion investment is not just about commerce. It is about transformation. KCC Mall of Cotabato is designed to be an economic catalyst, creating 10,000 direct and indirect jobs, welcoming diverse talents, regardless of race, ethnicity, gender, or ability, and providing platforms for local businesses to thrive alongside national and international brands. We are bringing over 500 tenants from across the country, introducing global retail experiences while ensuring our local entrepreneurs and farmers have a place in our ecosystem. Our pinakabarato, pinakakumpleto, pinakapresko supermarket and locally sourced products reinforce our support for Mindanao's agriculture and trade sectors. Let us work together to revive Cotabato's old glory, to create opportunities for our people, and to build a future where everyone can thrive. Welcome to KCC Mall of Cotabato. Your mall, your home, your future.